Laws.com. Legal Forms Guide.
Form 720S, Kentucky S Corporation Income Tax. Kentucky S Corporations file their state income tax as well as their limited liability entity tax, LLET, with a Form 720S. This document can be obtained from the website of the Kentucky Department of Revenue. Step 1. At the top of the form, enter the beginning and ending dates of your fiscal year if not filing on a calendar year basis. Step 2. Indicate your LLET receipts method with a check mark in Section B. If you are not filing income tax, enter your non-filing status code in Section C. Step 3. In Section D, enter your federal identification number, the end date of your taxable year, your S corporation's name, address and telephone number, the state and date of its incorporation, its principal business activity within the state, and its NAICS code. Step 4. In Section E, check any applicable statements regarding the status of this return. Step 5. In Section F, write the number of shareholders and the number of QSSSs included in the return. Step 6. In Part 1, compute your income or loss as instructed. Step 7. To complete Part 2, you must first complete the separate schedule LLET. Follow the instructions to compute your LLET due. Step 8. In Part 3, follow the directions to compute the income tax due. Step 9. Complete the tax payment summary section at the bottom of the form as directed. Step 10. Attach a copy of your federal 1120S return as well as all supporting documentation. Step 11. Complete the Schedule Q questionnaire on the second page and provide all information requested about your company's principal officer. The company's principal officer or chief accounting officer should sign and date the form.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit Laws.com.